Hello and welcome to another ENS website training video for Drupal. Today we're going to be looking at some advanced layout techniques for your website using tables. To do this, first make sure you're logged into your Drupal website. Let's open up the edit window. Tables may be used if you wish to have a more advanced layout technique. For instance, you would like to float images beside text, or for today's example, I'm going to set up a table where we will have an image, text, and then image beside this. The table icon can be found fourth in from the right hand side on the top navigation bar. This will open up the table properties window. Here you can set the amount of rows and columns that you would like. I'm going to set one row and select 3 columns so I can place image, text, image nicely onto my page. You can set the width. I'm going to set it for the width of the page, so I'm going to set it quite high to 850. Cell spacing and cell padding. Simply give spacing in between each cell, which can be important as it ensures your content is not all bunched together. I'm going to give a cell spacing of 10 and cell padding of 10. It is also important that you set the border size. I'm going to set it to 0 as I don't want my content to have any border, as I just want it to look like it is lining up beside each other on the page. You can also set the alignment of the table property here, having it left, center, or right. I'm going to select centering it to the left. When you're happy with your table properties, you can simply select OK. Here you will notice the faint outline of your table, in which you have 3 different columns. In the first column, I'm going to place an image. So let's move up to the Image tab up on the top navigation bar. I will need to browse my server to find out if I have any images available. I'm going to upload 2 images for the purpose of this tutorial that I have saved onto my desktop. One for ENS graphic design, and the other for ENS for digital signs. When I've uploaded these 2 images, I'm going to first select ENS digital signs, and this will be placed in the left hand column of the table. I'm going to change the width to make it a bit smaller to 175. When I'm happy, I'm going to select Save. In the center column, I'm going to place some text. Let's just simply copy and paste some of the text that we have above. On the final column, I'm going to place another image. Let's again open up the image properties window, browse the server. Here I'm going to select ENS graphic design, and again I'm going to change the width down to 175. Select OK. You will now notice that we're able to float our images beside our text with another image. Make sure full HTML is selected and hit save. You'll now notice that we have achieved a more advanced layout using tables. Similarly, you can have as many rows and columns as you would like, depending on how you would like to lay out your content. Thank you for listening in. That is an introduction to advanced layout using tables.